Imagine your digital defenses are ironclad, yet a simple unlocked door compromises everything. Physical security breaches can lead to catastrophic data loss and financial ruin. Ignoring this threat is a gamble no organization can afford. Physical penetration testing simulates real-world attacks to uncover vulnerabilities. Experts use techniques like lockpicking and tailgating to assess your defenses. Unlike digital tests, these focus on tangible security gaps and how to exploit human behavior. Understanding the difference between digital and physical penetration testing is important. While digital tests target software, physical tests expose weaknesses in your physical barriers. Both are essential for comprehensive security. Navigating the legal framework of physical penetration testing is vital. Penetration testers must adhere to strict laws ensuring ethical and effective assessments. Compliance protects both the tester and the organization. Understanding your rights and responsibilities is key. Legal compliance ensures that tests are conducted ethically, safeguarding your organization while identifying critical vulnerabilities. Real-life stories reveal the impact of physical penetration testing. Organizations have discovered vulnerabilities like unsecured entry points, leading to fortified defenses and enhanced security protocols. Common vulnerabilities often include overlooked access points and inadequate surveillance. Post-testing, organizations strengthen their defenses, preventing potential breaches and safeguarding their assets. Arrakis Consulting stands as a leader in physical penetration testing. Our proven methodologies and experienced team ensure thorough assessments tailored to your specific security needs. We customize our services to address your unique challenges, providing actionable insights and strategies. Trust Arrakis Consulting to protect your organization from unseen threats. Let's recap the importance of physical penetration testing. It's clear that investing in security protects your assets and reputation. Don't leave your organization vulnerable to physical threats. By prioritizing physical security, you'll ensure peace of mind and safeguard your future. Take the proactive step to secure your organization today. Contact Arrakis Consulting by emailing us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com to fortify your defenses. Together, we can build a secure future, protecting what matters most. Act today and ensure your organization's safety.